What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video. As you can see, Bitcoin is right now, right there, retesting the level that I was warning you about on the previous video. So yes, if we zoom in here a little bit, we are going to see that the Bitcoin is still going to the downside. And the question here is, are the bulls stepping in and forming the double bottom that we were expecting? The higher low according to the previous one, or we are just going to break below the level of this important support that we are having of this 20 weekly moving average. And also today we are going to talk a little bit about the news. PayPal is now launching a new stablecoin correlated to the US dollar. So if that sounds interesting to you, smash the like button and stick with me until the end of this video. Of course guys, before I start, don't forget to click the links on the description of this video. The first one, you can sign up to Bybit and claim up to $30,000 bonus. This is my favorite exchange, the #1, but they are requiring KYC. So if you don't like KYC, you can use the second link and sign up to Bitflex. So without further ado guys, let's start with the news that we are having right now. PayPal launched stablecoin tied to the US dollar issued on Ethereum. The stablecoin issued by Paxos Trust was detailed in a statement published Monday morning by the American payments giant. PayPal announced that customers who purchase PayPal USD will be able to transfer the stablecoin between compatible external wallets and PayPal, and they will also be able to fund purchases with PayPal USD. So these are very great news for the entire crypto market as a whole. I don't think that this has the power to change the Bitcoin price action, for example, but anyways, it is very good to have this type of news as it shows more integration between the crypto market and the world. So finally, coming to the Bitcoin technical analysis guys, you can see that after we failed to break above the level of this resistance right here, we are just seeing some weakness on the Bitcoin price. We had this high right here, and then after that we just formed lower highs, and just some hours ago we saw this drop all the way down to $28,670. We cannot forget that back here we had a huge movement to the upside with the bulls showing a lot of strength, trying to break above the level of this resistance, unfortunately failing. And right now we need to see the bulls stepping in once more and showing to us some similar movement to this one guys, but now of course not failing but breaking above the level of this important resistance and going to reclaim the previous high. Because if we manage to see this bullish strength and this movement to the upside, we would then be forming the double bottom, the higher low according to this one right here, and forming also a higher high according to this one, breaking this bearish structure that we are having here on the 4-hour time frame. And when I say that we have to, is because we don't want to see the price breaking below the level of this previous low right here. This would be very bad, and this would be the continuation of this whole bearish structure right here, and we would be just searching for the next low. But this wouldn't be bad only on the 4-hourly time frame, but also on the bigger time frames as the daily and the weekly time frame guys. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can watch my previous video that I'm explaining there everything about the bigger time frame, explaining to you why this is a very important and critical level for the Bitcoin that we do not want to lose. And also talking very quickly here about the other altcoins guys, Ethereum finally broke below the level of this important support, and now if we are going to be rejected by the level of this previous support right here, bad news guys, we are most probably going to come all the way down to this level right here at $1,760. Ripple, ever since we broke below the level of this important support here of this falling wedge, I was warning you that my target would be around the level of 57 cents, 58 cents, and we came close to it. We came very close to these levels, but now we are forming bullish divergence right here on the 1-hour time frame and also on the 4-hourly time frame. As you can see, formation of low, lower low, low, higher low. So it is possible that from this level right here we are going to see some relief rally on the Ripple price action, even coming back all the way to the level of this previous support once more. At Cardano we broke below the support, the major support that we were having right here, and I think, on my personal opinion, we still have some more room to go to the downside right here. But so far we are also having some bullish divergence here as well on the 4-hourly time frame. There it is. And because of this, we can also see a relief rally to retest the level of this previous important support here before we keep going to the downside. And if we approach these levels once more, we of course have to see how the price action is going to react at those levels. But if we see this rejection, it would be a very good spot to be opening a short position. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused.